Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now by turning on your phone hotspot and naming it. Write down the SSID and password so you don't guess them later. On the TV, navigate to Settings, General, Network to begin a new Wi-Fi connection. This is where you'll choose your phone's network. Do this because many Samsung TVs prefer 4 GHz. If your hotspot defaults to 5 GHz, switch bands to ensure compatibility. Once done, the TV will scan for networks and show the hotspot SSID. Select your phone's SSID from the TV's available networks and press OK to begin the join process. When prompted, type the hotspot password with the remote. Be deliberate because one wrong character blocks the connection. After you submit credentials, the TV will authenticate and obtain an IP address from your phone. This verifies a successful link. If the TV shows limited connectivity, make sure mobile data is enabled on the phone so internet routes through the hotspot. Otherwise, you'll only have a local link. Finish by opening a streaming app or the TV browser to confirm actual internet access. Seeing video play proves everything works. If it fails, first toggle the phone hotspot off and on, then reconnect from the TV. This often clears DHCP or handshake issues. If problems persist, check your phone's hotspot settings. Ensure mobile data is active, disable AP isolation, and force 4 GHz if available. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.